How to mention on story after posting on Instagram. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store. Make sure your Instagram is updated to latest version as this is the latest update. Then open the app, log into your account, and then click on your story that you already posted. You will find three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen. Simply click on three dots and then click on Add Mentions. After you've clicked on Add Mentions, from here you'll be able to search people you want to mention using their username. After you've found the one, simply click on Add and then you're good to go. This is how to mention on Instagram story after posting. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.